Want to record a WhatsApp call without downloading any third-party app? So here is a good news for you. Your phone already has built-in features that can help you do it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you how to record WhatsApp calls on both Android and iPhone using only the features already available on your phone. And yes, it's super simple, but here is a quick reminder. Always take permission before recording any call because privacy is very important. Now let's begin. First, start with Android phones. Most Android smartphones today come with a built-in screen recorder. Brands like Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo and Realme already includes this feature. Here is exactly what you need to do. First, open WhatsApp and start your call. Now swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Now look for the screen recorder option and tap on it. Before starting the recording, make sure microphone audio is enabled if your phone gives you that option. Then simply start recording. Once your WhatsApp call is over, stop the screen recording and the file will automatically be saved in your gallery. Now let's move to iPhone users. iPhones also come with a built-in screen recording feature, so you don't need to install anything extra. And here is how to use it. Start your WhatsApp call first. Then open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Now press and hold the screen recording button. Then turn on the microphone option. Now tap on start recording and your iPhone will now begin recording the screen during the WhatsApp call. After the call ends, stop the recording from the top notification bar and the video will be saved automatically in your Photos app. So that's how you can record WhatsApp calls on Android and iPhone using only built-in features. No extra app, no complicated setup. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.